No, it's
Oh my
not
god,
here.
oh my god.
Wait, go over here. Guys, over here.
Why
Over
is
here.
it so
Come on,
weird?
la
Going in a
vaca.
circle, you
La
idiot.
vaca. Move. La vaca.
Yeah, go in a circle.
We're here.
Everyone back off. Blue, talk to
Bro, we went in a circle. What are we even
Way.
looking for at
It's
this point?
obviously this way. We have to go the other way.
No, it sounds like right here.
Yeah, obviously.
It sounds like right
Why
here.
is it doesn't matter. It comes out of nowhere.
Why do we keep going into the same
It sounds like it's above us.
Up here.
It sounds like it's above us. He's like either stuck in the wall or above us.
Where is it? Where is
In the wall.
Where's Red?
Bro, I'm going this way. What happened? Everyone get out of spawn. Everyone get out of spawn.
Get out of spawn.
I'm driving in.
Driving in my car. Oh my god, there's a bunch of people here. Hey, that's bomb. This one's right here.
Get out of spawn.
Hey, bro, zoom in. Get out of spawn. Hey, yo, guys, what's good? Hey, from chicken little. You chicken little. Chicken
Everyone go down, Ben. Everyone go down. Everyone's gonna die, dude.
He's not cooking, guys.
Bro, everyone get out of
So
spawn.
many people.
Not cooking, because everyone
Get out of
is
spawn,
sitting right next to
guys.
spawn.
Get out of spawn! Get out of
Everyone come.
spawn!
Everyone. If you want to go over there, come everyone. Go.
Oh my god, bro.
Everyone come.
Don't leave us to Bro, no,
Get back.
Get back.
Fred one's over there. Fred one's over there. Babble,
He's
Babble.
behind you.
Oh, he's right there.
This way.
There's the red one.
What if I'm gonna turn around? You know?
Yo, everyone get out of spawn. Get out of spawn.
Get out of spawn.
Everybody this way. Hey, I can't see. Everybody move.
I got you.
Monkey, please, female.
Everyone come.
Why did we go and
Help me. Just take me.
Guys, I found one. He went that way.
He went down. He went down.
Well, where do we go? Let's go find them. Here.
Okay. Why you birds?
25 minutes.
Literally terrifying.
What is going on over there?
Guys, we need to find the grill.